How to remove recently deleted photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. On this page, scroll down and go to the Utilities section. From here, tap on Recently Deleted. Tap on View Album. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. You can view all your recently deleted photos and videos over here. If you want to permanently delete them, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. And then, tap on Delete All. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily remove recently deleted photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.